going to do an exercise you'll see. It's going to work on the lung channel, which runs from where you would expect, where the top parts of your lungs are, and down the farthest edge to the thumb tip. Both sides, the meridians run parallel. And then we'll do a meditation for the white swan, which is when you make your thumbs in this swan's neck posture like this. I'll show you that in a minute. It's a meditation focusing on the third eye point. So, come into a sphinx, meaning that you come up onto your forearms. You can still stretch your lower back and your chest. You can keep your feet together if that's comfortable. If it's not, you can have them a little bit apart. And you're gonna roll over and you're gonna take your leg, a bent leg back, and then bring the arm this way. Stretch it out. Oh, so. And come back into this sphinx. And inhale. Roll this way. Exhale back. You can even point a little bit with your index finger and thumb. Sweep the arm and then sweep it back. Obviously great for your shoulder joints as well. Sat on the inhale. Nam on the exhale. When you're in the full extension, that's when so you take the inhale here and then this is a full breath held. We'll do one more time on each side. Big curl. Very good. You can just rest for a moment. Turn your head the other way. Take a couple of deep breaths. And bring yourself up to sitting. So we'll just do this meditation for the white swan. So what we're going to do is put the hands in fists and we're going to bring the thumbs, you're going to press them so that they bend as much as they're able to. Yeah, a little pressure there. And that comes up to your third eye point here. And you're going to look up to your thumb tips. And you're going to try to keep looking there as the eyelids close, so that you keep these thumb tips in your mind as your eyes close. And we're going to start a long deep breath. Sat on the inhale, Nam on the exhale. You can easily do this for 5 to 11 minutes. Today we'll just do it for 3 minutes. Slow the breath down and keep your focus looking up. As I say, the thumbs are about 15 centimeters away from your third eye point, and that's where you're looking to. The breath become very calm. The mind fix to your thumb tips. And keep a firm pressure. Deep. Fix again your gaze at your thumbs, tips, and pull on your root lock. And exhale.